Hi, I am Aru Goyal from XLRI Jamshedpur.
Hi, I'm Varsha from IIM Bangalore.
Hi, this is Rishabh Goyal from IIM Calcutta.
Hi, I'm Bhavna Nagpal from IIM Ranchi.
Hi, I'm Shashwat Saxena from IFT Delhi.
I am Anubhav Oja from MDI Gurgaon.
Hi, this is Shreya Chawla from NMIMS Mumbai.
Hi, I'm Vivek Sangai from NITI Mumbai.
For me, it has to be about personal attention. Being from a medical background, I remember how I was guided throughout the journey.
It's the personal attention since the day one.
And the one word has to be dedication. Certainly dedication.
Personal attention, no one else can mentor you like quantifiers do.
Mentors? Nah, more like friends because you can discuss absolutely anything with them.
The best thing about quantifiers is how easy they make everything look. Just lose it.
It's affordable, it's best, and it's totally reliable.
You know what? Anyone can teach you the CAT syllabus. But to nurture and groom someone, I think Quantifiers does it the best.
Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. I hope all of you have started preparing for CAT 2021. And if you haven't yet, please get up. Right now is the time to, take advantage and take a lead and start early, right? Now in this video, I'm going to talk about what to do in case you are taking a gap year or by any reasons you are not working right now, right? How to cover up that. So there are two, three things that you can do to cover up the gap. The first and the foremost important, which also looks nice on your resume, is to join an NGO. आप एक NGO join कर लीजिए. It will give you so many good pointers to speak in your interview that I like giving back to the society. I like to work for the social causes. This thing in the society really affects me, and then that's why I'm working for it. It will really act as a cherry on the top of your resume. So getting linked with an NGO is one thing that can really, really, really help you, right? This is the first thing. The second thing that can help you is to do an internship, right? Choosing an internship is a very important thing. Right now, doing a paid or an unpaid internship is not a target right now. Even if it is an unpaid internship, do an internship where you will get to learn something, where you will get to get exposure to the environment you are going to work in further, right? ऐसी जगह पे आप इंटर्नशिप कीजिए जहाँ पे आपका वर्कलोड भी ज्यादा ना हो, 3-4 घंटे का वर्कलोड हो पर डे या 2-3 घंटे का हो, ऐसा कुछ हो तो चलो बढ़िया रहेगा. ठीक है, this is the first thing. Secondly, you really no need to run behind the money right now. Money should be the secondary factor at your age right now, right? Okay. Now, the third point, the third and the most important point, if in case you don't want to do an internship and you don't want to join an NGO, the third thing that you can do is do some courses. And when I say do some courses, it really depends upon you that which line you want to go. For example, in HR or marketing or finance or what line you want to go in order to do internship. Now, before I even say that, no, there is something important that I want to tell you. I have shortlisted some internships for you here, which are totally free of cost, right? Depending upon your area of interest, please choose those internships and go for it. The first and the foremost, the most basic internship that everyone should know should do is the Excel training, Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is one of the most underrated and powerful tool. Trust me. No matter what line you choose, it is impossible that you are not going to work over Microsoft Excel. You are going to work over Microsoft Excel no matter what field do you join, right? So let me take you to some of the free courses that you should opt for. And also there's one important thing that I want to tell you. Let us say you have achieved some specific level or mastery in Microsoft Excel and you want to go forward. अब आप आगे देखते हैं कि यार आगे के जो कोर्सेज है ना वो फ्री नहीं है, दे आर वेरी पेड कोर्सेज. Remember, on YouTube there are thousands of channels which provide beautiful content for Microsoft Excel. In fact, in the description below I am providing some of the links which might help you, right? आप उन लिंक्स को फॉलो कीजिए. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपके पास सर्टिफिकेट हो. इन योर resume there is a box known as skills. In those skills, if you will write advanced Microsoft Excel, people will interrogate you over the same. They will ask you questions on the same, and they will get to judge you that whether you are an expert in this or not. So it hardly matters when you if you have a certificate or not at an advanced level. If you have at a basic level, even that will suffice the purpose until or unless you are actually learning, right? So let me take you to the resources now, which I need to show you. Okay. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay. I hope my browser is visible to you now, right? Okay. Now, just go to this panel, Google search, write Google free courses, right? There you will get this Google Digital Garage. Go through this. Now, there are, see, results are 151 courses, right? And trust me, this is one of the best place to learn and have certificates, right? It will treat you so well. And just in case if you are short on time and you want something crisp to learn, to look good on your resume, write this. Google Digi Unlock. Now, Google Digi Unlock is the free digital marketing course of provided by Google, and it gives you certificate also, and it gives you a lot of opportunities. So these are the few courses that you should do if you are going to let's say do marketing in your future, right? But before that, please do Excel. And now how to Excel? Just write just write free Udemy Excel courses. Where you will write free Udemy Excel courses, you will find so many courses for free. Just start doing anything of them. Pick it up and start doing anything. And also, trust me, the courses are so economically priced here कि अगर आप एक course ले भी लेते हैं Excel from beginner to advanced, it is 490 rupees. It will teach you so many things, and at the end of the day, trust me, it will give you more value than you can even think. So this is something that I will recommend to everyone out there. Okay. Now let's say you are going to do in finance, MBA in finance. Now finance has so many other offerings, prospects to give you. For example, financial analyst, financial marketing. There are so many prospects that you have to do. Now financial modeling is one thing that is very basic. Just write financial modeling free courses, open the first link, you will reach here, business and finance modeling Coursera. And these courses are, these courses start for free. Just look into them, just try them up, and then you will reach at a very good place, trust me. So these are some of the courses that I will recommend you, right? When you are going to do. Similarly on Udemy, there are introduction to financial modeling and something. So these type of content you should really explore if you are targeting this. So basically 3 things that I have told you: NGO, internship, and then the free courses. So please do these free courses, and these will really help you, right? These will really help you out. Now, in the next video, I'll be telling you what to do and what not to do in your coming months, right? So let's catch up, guys. Thank you so much and have a great day. If you like the video, please do share the content with your friends. Thank you.